everyone, it's Drew Uncovered here. Today, I got a package in the mail, so we're going to be opening it right now. So, Logan, take the camera, and let's go ahead and, I guess, get into it.
Kind of destroyed the package.
On purpose.
Yeah, on purpose. Yeah, he did.
Alright, so we got, oh boy, I see coins. Let's see what we got. Oh boy. Well, oh, here we go. Just don't look at this because this has fancy stuff on it. Alright, oh, it's all in. Alright. So we got the, oh my god. Those are beautiful. Okay, the most beautifulest buffalo nickels I have actually ever seen. Hold on. We're going to move this up here. Holy smoke. That is one insane buffalo nickel. It said it was full horns, even though I don't see
any horns.
I see a horn on that one. See, there's a horn. Alright, so I'm actually, here you go. I'm not going to bother putting the gloves on. I'm just going to take it. And there it is. Oh, man. That is a buffalo nickel. That is unbelievable. Unbelievably pretty. Positive. I mean, look at this, guys. Don't just swirl it in a random spot. Just get it focused on a coin. Look at this. Like that. That's unbelievable for a buffalo nickel. I don't know what I'm going to do with these.
That would be a 36.
I mean, this is what they looked like fresh out of the mint. 1936. Pretty crazy. And then, I've got a silver quarter I got for like $3. Well, you stay there, Logan. Let me see exactly how much I got it for. I got the 2 buffalo nickels for $3.58, and I got the quarter for $4.25. So, what are you filming exactly?
Filming the quarter.
You weren't. You were filming the floor. Alright, alright, that's gonna go onto this stack. Which one looks better on the top? Oh, yeah, this one. For sure. Alright, so that's added on there. Now what to do with these 2 buffalo nickels? Well, for now, I'll just... Heck, I don't know. We'll just do that for now. What are you filming? There we go. I might slip them. They're nice coins. Alright, so if you guys know if you guys know what you want me to do with these, like, should I slip them, or what? I mean, look, hold on. Let me just turn this light on. I should have done that the whole time. Like, that's pretty good shape there. This, like, cartwheels almost. Not quite. But they're pretty nice. So I was thinking maybe slipping them up. Okay.
By the way, Brayden.
So yeah, if you guys could let me know what to do with those buffalo nickels, that would be nice. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. And as always, thank y'all for watching. Happy hunting, and God bless.